Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The JMMB Group says it welcomes the appointment of CEO Keith Duncan as a government senator. In a release, JMMB said Mr. Duncan has had a long-standing commitment to nation building and that his service has consistently transcended political lines, reflecting the values of love, fairness, integrity, and the best interests of all Jamaicans. It says Mr. Duncan's leadership has been instrumental in several key national initiatives, including the Jamaica Debt Exchange, the National Debt Exchange, and co-chair of the Economic Program Oversight Committee. The release further states that while Mr. Duncan will now serve in the upper house of Parliament, JMMB Group remains politically neutral and is not aligned to any political party. The Bank of Jamaica has again intervened in the foreign exchange market, pumping $30 million into the market. And on Wednesday, in its 19th intervention this year, bringing the total to $530 million so far. The National Commercial Bank purchased $6 million, JMMB Securities took $5.6 million, Grace Kennedy Trading Services $3.7 million, JMMB Bank and First Global $3.4 million each, JN Bank $2.2 million, and Alliance Financial $2 million. Mayberry Investments Limited has successfully arranged and secured a corporate note that allowed First Rock Real Estate Investment Limited and its subsidiary to fully settle their obligations with Sagicor Bank Jamaica Limited. This move officially ended the receivership over First Rock's real estate project at Bamboo Avenue, effective September 15, 2025. It signifies a turning point for the multi-million-dollar development. In a release, Mayberry said it stood ready to continue its support as First Rock enters a new phase of its development journey. The RJR Gleaner Group says plans are afoot to leverage the company's digital footprint. The company held an investment forum today. More in this report.
Despite the shifts in the traditional media market, Chairman of the RJR Gleaner Group, Joseph Matalon, remains confident that the company is well placed for success in the ever-evolving media landscape.
We have taken decisive steps to reshape this group for the future, reducing our cost base, reorganizing our commercial operations, and accelerating our digital transformation.
Already, the company has seen growth in its digital footprint. CEO Anthony Smith provided the figures.
Across the board in the group, we have about 7.3 million followers or subscribers across all platforms. That's more than 2 times the population of Jamaica. Right. Monthly, we have over 20 million views across all platforms. Also, based on research done and using an independent company, our group has 66% market share of the online audience for Jamaica.
The company has already showed dominance on its platforms like YouTube.
For YouTube, we have about 1.5 million subscribers between TVJ, Gleaner, and Star. Our next closest competitor in the media space has 64,700. So you're talking about 1.5 million versus 64, call it 65,000, I'll be generous, 65,000. Right. During the election period, for example, we saw over 4.7 million views.
Which is why he says the focus is to leverage the company's digital footprint. It's part of a wider plan as the RJR Gleaner Group embarks on new initiatives to maintain its top spot as the leader in the industry. Prince Moore, TVJ News.
To the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 606 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 92 points. The winners include Blue Power Group, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, Caribbean Cement Company, Derimon Trading, and Dollar Financial Services. The losers include 138 Student Living, AS Barden and Son Holdings, Access Financial Services, Atlantic Hardware Plumbing, and Barita Investments. 22 stocks traded firm. The Jamaican dollar gained on all three major trading currencies today. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $160.48. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $116.29. The pound sold for $217.95, while the euro is selling for an average $191.24. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.